Welcome back, guys. You're still watching MS Live. As I said, I go by the name Motin, and I have my first guest in the studio. My brother, you're welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome to MS Live. How you feeling, my brother?
Cool. I love the studio.
You love the studio. Beautiful, beautiful. Charlie, so I want to know a bit about you, since you play a major role in High School Clique. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself, because you're new on the show?
So I'm Bedia Blibobili.
Charlie, this name there, I can't mention.
So BBB. So
BBB, okay,
yeah,
for short.
So everyone calls me Billy. I'm the marketing officer for High School Clique. Yeah, so I've been with High School Clique from the inception. So I'm part of one of the heads of High School Clique.
Okay, so who introduced you to be part of
the
team?
So we started. It was something we started.
Okay,
we started
from scratch. Wow,
so,
wow.
DNA, Rescue, Dan, and I. So it was something we started from scratch.
So
yeah, bringing me so many memories.
So which year did you establish?
So we started High School Clique from, so the year 2014.
2014.
But it came on air 2015.
Okay.
It was supposed to come on air the day the June 3rd disaster happened.
Okay.
That was that weekend.
Charlie.
It was 5th. I think the weekend was 5th. The Saturday was 5th. So because of that day, the station we were going to show, the place flooded.
Oh.
So we didn't show it that day. It was moved to the following week. So yes.
Okay. So it's fair to say you guys have been in the game, or you guys have been running the clique for
exactly for
10 years.
Yes. But it's just the COVID years that slowed us down for a while. So let's say for the 1-2 years that COVID came, we were just slowed down.
You have to lay back and steady the market and come back stronger.
Well, basically because of the restrictions that came with COVID. You know, we deal with high school students, and that was when the whole nose masks and all those restrictions, the spacing and all that. So we couldn't do what we were doing, so we had to stay laid back for a while. But aside the COVID years, we've been very active. Okay,
so being part of the team for 10 years, what has been the highlight for you, being part of High School Clique?
It's brought up so many opportunities because we started this, let's say, with the help of DNA. DNA has really helped, because I started straight up from senior high school.
Okay.
So I went to university in 2013. So, 2014, we just started the whole thing. 2013, somewhere September. Yeah, we started the whole idea, everything. Initially, let me give you initially, it was supposed to be just a magazine.
Okay,
yes.
Magazine.
Yes.
So no TV planning and everything.
So the TV would have come in
later on.
But we just slowed down with the magazine and said, no, let's go with the TV. So it has given me so many opportunities. I've met so many people that on a normal day, I wouldn't have met. So, and I was just more into the events and all, but now blending events and production
and marketing. Wow, tough.
So it just helps a whole lot, and it's moved me from one place to one place, and it's given me so many opportunities.
Okay.
Thanks to DNA for
wow, beautiful one. Let's talk about Cross It Out. I know we guys are in partnership with you, with your team, which is High School Clique, and recently we had a show at Krobo, and I wasn't there. The team was there. They said a good stuff about it, and you being part of High School Clique, can you share a little bit of experience on that very day?
So personally, I wasn't there though, but I also have I saw the visuals and all. It was an amazing show. But I love the Cross It Out concept because it helps educate the students. If you've not met the high school students, some of the things they don't really pay attention to it. It's not like they don't know about it, but they don't pay attention. And they are myths and all around it. So Cross It Out helps to break all these myths and helps explain it to them for them to understand it. So that was one of the reasons I was very happy we joined MX24 to do this. And next month we are doing more schools with aside Kobo. Next month we are doing other schools. Wherever your school is, just wait.
Be ready. Be ready for Cross It Out. Okay, beautiful. Charlie, so let's get into this year. Last time some of your team members were here, and they were saying you guys are having some challenging moments. And you guys were throwing more light that, as you have more shows. So some of your team members were here and they were talking that you guys are facing a little bit challenges. Is it still the same? Are you still guys facing the same challenges?
So yes, I think, well, now the challenge is, you know how the senior high school dates are now, and with the whole year groups, then where at this particular point in time, there's a year group, then the other year group is not there. So that's the challenge with doing events and doing programs for the senior high school. So that's the challenge. But so far, so good. Those who are doing the single track,
okay,
they have everyone in school, 1, 2, 3. So some of the private schools and some of the schools have that. So we started with a few. So this month we did Bright Senior High.
Okay.
We did Bright Senior High. Yes.
Okay.
We went there with Last Mid.
Last Mid.
Yes, it was.
How was the feedback?
It was amazing. Last Mid and Lali and Lola.
Lali X Lola. Oh, they are our girls, so that one will be cool.
It was amazing. Like some of the songs, Lali and Lola. Some of her songs. Personally, I didn't know some of her songs. Trust me, this student sang word to word.
Wow.
Like, it was amazing. Their vibe was so high. Right. I didn't expect that. It was last year. Yes, last year we did one with them. But the energy wasn't there. But this year the
energy was something else. It was massive.
It was massive. It was
okay, so let's get into this year. I know you guys have a lot of fanfare packed for next month and this month too as well. Can you tell us a little bit about it? The fanfare, how is it going? How is the school receiving you guys?
So
let's start with this month before we get to next month.
So with this month, as I said, it's just with the challenges we're talking about. So it's just Bright Senior High that we've worked on, and the school embracing us. It's been good. Our main mind is to form a relationship with the school.
Schools, okay.
Just to the idea is not necessarily to, most of the students, trust me, they will never see some of these artists ever. Right. So it's a way of bringing the artists to them.
To get closer
to them.
Okay.
And good enough, they talk to them whilst on stage, they give them advice so that you know these celebrities are not like abstract people.
Okay. It's not like they are there to perform, to also experience them.
Exactly.
Okay.
Then they talk to them and let them know so that they know that, okay, I can also become this. I can also become this. Okay. So that's it's the school also understands this, and the relationship with both the heads, the SLC patrons, and the SLC executives have been amazing. So
it's not just you guys entertaining them; it's also to educate them. Okay, beautiful. So there's a lot of lineup for next month, which is April. A lot of fanfares. Let's get into it. So when are you guys kicking off with the first one?
Okay, so before this month ends, we have my Shaman people. Hello. So this Saturday we are inside a Shaman. Ridwana School. It's all a Shaman schools concert with Wendy Shea.
Wendy Shea.
Yes.
Okay.
Wendy Shea. So this Saturday. Then next month we start with
So that Shaman, are you guys taking gate fee or something?
Yes.
And how much are you guys taking?
It goes for 30 cedis.
30 cedis, yes. Charlie. 30 cedis. It'd be cool, Charlie. Pull up in numbers and come experience the show with Wendy Shea.
Exactly. We because they are young, we just have the rates very cool for them so that everyone can, just afford and come
30 cedis, it'd be cool chop. They should come to the office. I'll pay for 10 people.
I
beg you.
He said it. Please come. He's ready to pay.
I beg. My producer did. Jeff, you hear them? 10 people, 30 cedis. Cool chop.
So aside that, we're starting. Let me just check this in. So there are 3. It's not just High School Clique. We have tertiary bars and there's Pub City.
Okay.
So Pub City is the mother company.
Okay.
So
Pub City.
Yes.
Okay. So and what's T-bars?
So T-bars is tertiary bars. That's our tertiary wing.
Okay.
That's our tertiary. So we want to entertain youth. So anywhere the youth are, we are there. So that's why we started with the High School Clique, then tertiary bars. Okay. So Pub City is the main company. Aside the event.
Pub City.
Yes.
Okay.
We do marketing BTLs and we do a whole lot of events. In general, concerts and all that. That's different. But there's High School Clique for that.
Okay.
So with tertiary bars, April 4th, we are doing Christian Heritage.
Christian Heritage.
Yes.
Okay.
We are doing their SLC celebration.
Okay.
So tertiary bars also does. We also do SLC.
Okay. So with the T bars, there's a lineup.
Yes.
For the event.
Yes.
Okay. I think we have to go through the lineup of that event. So how many? Is it 1 week?
Yes. With the tertiary, it's a whole week celebration.
Okay.
But we are taking, as usual, just like the senior high schools, the week celebration, depending on the school, it starts from Wednesday, some start from Monday, but we are taking the Saturday, the main artist night. That's what we are taking.
Okay.
And it's going to be massive.
Okay.
This is the first time we are collaborating with them. We've been doing other events with them, just normal. We've done dinner for them. We've done freshers night for them. But this is the main SLC that we're going to do. It's going to.
That means they love your work.
Exactly.
Okay. So that day, which artist is pulling up?
So we are keeping it on the low. We release the artists one by one just to keep the excitement there. But for now, let me just keep the artist.
You just want to keep that. You want them to anticipate.
Exactly.
And is there any gate fee involved? Or
no,
with
that
one is free?
It's just
okay,
free.
you're just doing it for the school. Okay.
Just for the school.
It's more of you guys collaborating with the school to do the event.
Exactly.
Okay, beautiful one. And the rest of the fan fest, we just talk about one.
That's the Shari Vibes. So when we come to high school clique, we have people normally think we just do the big schools, but no, we have Achim Asafo. Have you heard it before?
Achim Asafo. Charlie, I've heard Asafo before, but I've not heard
It's on the Kumasi Road. After Chebi, the Chebi Apedra Junction is somewhere there. So we are doing Achim Asafo in April. We are doing NASEC, English Amanfo, Senior High School.
Okay, NASEC for short.
Yes, NASEC.
Okay.
So we are doing NASEC. That's the Thursday before Easter. We are doing Achim Asafo. We have other ones that we've not finalized yet, so I can't mention them, but we have about 4 this April.
So how is it feeling like you guys going to the rural areas to give back to them?
It's a very positive thing because the main aim is to be everywhere holistically. Okay. So not just in Accra or just Eastern or Central, but everywhere. This year, in May, we'll be in Oti.
Oti?
Yes.
Okay.
We are doing about 2 schools in Oti.
Okay.
We'll be in Vota. We have another one with inside Western. So we are everywhere. We are trying to get the other schools. So please, the Sunyane, the Bono, the Ahafo, Bono East, Northern, we want to come to you. Just contact us and High School Clique will be at your doorstep. And we'll just make you have an amazing time.
Okay. But how do you reach out to them? Is it through email or you guys have to go to the school to?
So it depends. So most of the time they contact us.
Okay.
Most of the time they contact us. So we have reps in the various schools. Almost every school in Ghana, we have a High School Clique rep there.
Okay.
At least two reps.
Then it can be very hectic. So the reps do all the talking and everything for you guys?
Oh, no. Most of the times we do move. So sometimes it depends on the medium. And when it's an emergency meeting, there's the Zoom meeting, there's the Google Meet, we use all those. But sometimes you have to be there in person, especially when the headmasters want to see you. Okay. You have to give them the respect and just get to the school.
That means you guys have gotten the approval from GES?
Yes, they know about us.
Okay.
They know about us.
So with them, you have the authority to go wherever you want to.
So, yes. And one thing is because the school calls us, you see, because we've been doing this for a long time and we do it the right way. We understand how the youth are. We understand how the senior high school terrain is. And we make sure we don't overdo. The artist always goes strictly by books. Okay. So that's how come we are able to send this top artists to various senior high schools. Okay. We did Sarkodie at Yasantua. We did Sarkodie at Ebri Girls. We've done Stoneboy at Okuapeman. We've done Kiddie at Ebri, we've done Kiddie at Mary's. We've done a whole lot. If I say, like last year, we did 55 schools.
Schools, big.
That's
very huge.
Yes, there are some weekends we are doing about 5 schools at a go.
Okay.
And the team is
5
big.
schools at a go.
Yes.
Wow.
There are some weekends we are doing about 5, and the team is big, so we are able to do.
Then it's really paying off, Charlie. You guys are really cashing out.
well. We are trying our best. We are just trying our best and just doing what they want. We are just giving back to them one way or the other, just making sure they have fun. All right,
so let's get into Hoop Rave. Let's get into it. What's it about? Can you tell us a bit about the concept behind it?
It's a three by. Let me. Sorry, the basketball people. I might not get the term well, but it's a 3-on-3 basketball competition among senior high schools. So the idea, the normal basketball is 5. The game is 5, but this is a 3-on-3 among senior high schools. So we've picked the top senior high schools, those who are very good in basketball. So if your school is good in basketball, you see us there. So we are trying to mix basketball and entertainment.
Okay.
So
but do you follow basketball?
Not really. Personally, I'm not really about. But
who's your favorite NBA player?
I like LeBron, but there's one guy, one fair guy.
Steph Curry.
Yes, I love him. The fact that he doesn't really have that
height,
normal basketball height and all, but
he's very good.
He's very good. He made me fall in love with basketball.
So let's talk about the entertainment side. So you guys are handling the entertainment side. Okay, let's get deep into it.
You see, normally basketball, you have when it's the halftime, you have the ladies coming around to do, but we want to give it an extra feel, a different kind of vibe.
Okay.
So see the Super Bowl.
Okay.
See something like a Super Bowl.
Give that Super Bowl feeling to it. Okay.
So every halftime of everyone, we'll be doing something nice. But just over the weekend, we did some amazing.
And when is it happening?
It's happening between 10th to 12th April.
Okay, 10th to 12th
10th to 12th April.
Okay.
So all the schools, they are from the whole Ghana. So there's northern region.
So every region is going to represent.
Every region is representing. The basketball president did a tour. He just finished the tour. He went to all the participating schools. So so there's the ladies competition and there's the guys competition. So
which artists are going to be on board? Since you guys are handling the entertainment side, which artists are going to be part of the event?
Cool. You know, when it's High Skul Clique, you know, every artist, we lucky enough, we work with almost every artist in Ghana. Almost every artist in Ghana has graced one of our stages.
Okay.
But we'll keep that. We'll be releasing, we like to keep people in suspense.
Okay.
You know, when I just tell you a person coming, there's no suspense. So we like to keep them in suspense. We'll be releasing the artists soon. From the first week in April, we'll start releasing the artists. For now, we just want to create the awareness, let people know there's something amazing happening 10th to 12th April at the Bukom Arena.
Bukom Arena, okay. Yes. So can you run us through the lineup of the events happening?
So as I said, just to forget, Easter 2, Pub City, you know, as I said, we do concerts. So Easter, we are doing Experience Begro, the Begro Experience.
Okay.
So it's a 3-day event for the people of Begro. So if you are from Begro, if you know Begro, we are coming there with Last Mid.
Last Mid?
Yes. So the concert is on Friday, the Saturday is Extra Vibes, the Easter Monday is an all-white. So it's a fully packed weekend that everyone is coming. It's going to
pull up.
Yes.
Okay.
So
okay.
It just shows us at Pub City, everything.
So 16th April 2025. 18th April 2025. So it's Last Mid. Early bird is 50 CDs. At the gate is 70 CDs. It's very cool. Charlie, cool chop. Everybody for pull up. So Begro Experience concert with Last Mid. Charlie. So MS24, we are representing live. We are media partners and we are going to pull up. So my brother, it's nice to have you on the show. So there are a list of events coming up. So can you quickly run us through? So
let me just start again. So we have the Hoop Rave. That's April 10th to 12th. There's the Ashaman event with Wendy Shea happening just this weekend. Then we have NASEC on that's 17th.
Okay.
Then we have Achimasafo. Then there's Heritage University, April 4th. Then we end it with Begro.
Okay, so BBB, nice having you around. Charlie, we're going to pull up in numbers. MS24, we are going to represent live. Guys, let's take a quick breather. I'll be back in a bit.
Hi, what's up? This is your one and only favorite, your queen, Wendy Shea. This Saturday, on the 29th of March, I'll be coming to Ridwana School. So if you know that you go to school in Ashaman, I want to see all of you there. Be present, because you know how we do it. Shout out to High Skul Clique for this, and yeah, see you. I want to see all my soldiers, my survivors, because I'm a soldier.
Well, hi guys, my name is Noella and I'm here to tell you about the Hoop Rave. Now, this event is powered by A Younger World Up and it's actually organized by Skul Clique in collaboration with the Ghana Basketball Federation. Here's the tea, guys. It's basically a basketball tournament, right? But it's fused with like performances, fashion, music, every single thing that you can think of. It's just going to be one fun event that's happening sometime in April. The actual details will be coming out pretty shortly. So if you want any additional details, please make sure you're following Skul Clique on all social media platforms. So basically, you know that every girl, like I'm an old student of every girl senior high school, and you know that my school is going to come and swipe all those awards on the day, right? I know they're going to make me proud. But this is me just telling you to make sure you come through. It'll be happening at the Bookham Boxing Arena. Like I said, the actual dates will be subsequently communicated to you. So just make sure you follow Skul Clique, reach out to them, register your school. You never know, even though everybody else is taking it, you can take a chance and try to, get second place or third place, and that's fine. But come have fun. It's going to be a wonderful one, and they have so many surprises for you on that day. So please do make sure you come through the Hoop Rave. That will be happening sometime later this year.
Good.